afternoon, everyone. I am Aubrey Miles Pibuki from Barangay Ambago. Life has been getting hard lately. Problems after problems, challenges after challenges. Sometimes we get to the point where we start to ask ourselves if we can still survive this. Our hope starts to fade and the lights in our hearts begin to dim. We constantly ask the universe, when will these problems end? The sad truth is, problems and challenges are endless. As long as we live, they exist. There's nothing we can do about it but to face it. We have to live with it. However, life is not all bad. There are great things too, and they are the reason why existence is still beautiful and bearable. Family, friends, pets, and loved ones, dreams, goals, and plans, they make life beautiful. They give us the reason to wake up every morning and keep on striving despite the difficulties that life brings. These things in our lives give us hope that there will always be a rainbow after the rain and a light at the end of the tunnel. Thus, let's surround ourselves with people who bring out the best in us. They are the reason that despite the challenges, we continue to hope for a brighter, more peaceful tomorrow. That would be all. Thank you.
Konnichiwa. Good afternoon, everyone. Family is not about by blood always, but it's how you show your love and respect, and to connect and touch lives, even you're not related by blood and race. My due respect to the founder of NPO in Child, Mr. Takanori Kodate, to the Secretariat, Mr. Chotomo Shimada, to all the sponsors and staff, to the Mindanao Coordinator, Mr. Johnny Bolongaita, and to all the beneficiaries. Never in my wildest dreams that my daughter Aliyah Cynthia could be one of the beneficiaries of NPO in Child. But now, we embrace this big opportunity to be a part of this one-of-a-kind organization, which aims to extend their help to the needy. I'm very much amazed to this kind of people who have a big heart to help others and don't expect in return. In Child Family makes changes to the lives of the beneficiaries, especially in terms of financial, moral, and spiritual. Even how tough life is, we need to be brave for the sake of our family and loved ones. I know that we fight our own battles in life, and we must be strong enough to go through all of these challenges. Being a solo parent is very hard, especially in terms of financial aspect. But I'm very grateful to NPO in Child that they extend their help in sharing their blessings, and that's a great help to the studies of Aliyah Cynthia. As the parent leader of Magallanes North, I always make sure to check the status of the beneficiaries and whatever they're doing in their studies and their lives as well. I always give reminders to them, together with their parents, to do good in school and also to their families. I know that all of them are very hardworking in terms of their studies, and they have a good attitude towards others. And also they have faith in our Almighty God. And that's the character of Child beneficiaries. They were also reminded and advised by Mr. Johnny Bolongaita. To all of the beneficiaries, you must strive hard to reach your dreams and goals in life and be very grateful for all of the opportunities to come. To all the sponsors and staff of NPO in Child Japan, thank you very much. We are very grateful for your kindness and generosity. Thank you for your endless support. God bless and more power to all of you. Arigato gozaimasu.
花里先生、ありがとうございました。Thank you so much.
Hello, Greetings everyone, to my co-scholars, their parents, and to our beloved Japanese sponsors whom with us today. I'm very honored having the opportunity to deliver an inspiration message about my build relationship with Enchal. To introduce myself, I'm Aliyah Pristine R. Jacob, an Enchal scholar for a decade now. I graduated senior high school at Manuel Luis Quezon High School with high honors in humanities and social science academic track. Currently, I am pursuing a degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in science at University of Caloocan City. As I grow older day by day, I began to see and realize that our lives aren't easy to live. There will always be a unique set of challenges for us to encounter and recover, and the path we will be taking sometimes feels so unclear. The responsibilities we carry seem to grow heavier, and the choices we must make are getting more difficult. Yet, with each passing moment, as our life must go on, I also understand that these difficulties are necessary part of our journey that mold us into who we are meant to be. All of the things that is happening in our life has its meaning, and that is what makes it truly worth living. In the midst of these realizations, I've come to appreciate the importance of kindness both to ourselves and to others. For 20 years, Enshald has been one of the scholars' source of inspiration and support system, helping us in reaching our dreams in life. I've been fortunate to be part of this journey, having been an Enshald scholar since I was in grade 3. Now, as I embark on my first year of college, I reflect on the decade that has passed and I'm filled with pride to say that I'm an Enshald scholar. Every time that there is someone whom will ask me how do I feel being a scholar will always get me teary-eyed, as this opportunity let me have a new family that also care and love for me as their scholar. This means so much more to me than I can express at these open doors for me that I only have dreamed of. Honestly, there's a lot of things on my mind when I finish my senior high school. This includes self-doubt, challenges I may encounter, and my dream to continue studying in tertiary level. My parents and loved ones have always been my source of motivation to strive harder and give my best in studies, and in addition to them was you, my Anshel family. In the future, I aspire to be a great educator. I dream to serve for my country and become a tool to my future students for them to find and build their best version of themselves. I hope that one day I will be in a position where I can also help others just as help and shall help me. Once again, to our Japanese sponsors, especially to Mr. Takanori Todate, thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support in my studies and my belief in my potential. I'm looking forward to sharing new experiences and overcoming challenges with you as I embark on this journey is in college of mine. Arigato gozaimasu and
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shahara, the mother of Aliyah Pristine. She is my eldest amongst my 5 kids. One of her attitude that I admire the most as her mother is she's thoughtful, thrifty on herself, but generous on her siblings, keen and meticulous on everything that she do that needs to be done. Being one of a scholar for NPO and child is indeed a big help for us, especially on her education. She become part of NChild sponsorship program for almost 10 years or 1 decade that provide allowance to help students like her. That I am, as her parent, is so grateful for. In exchange for the opportunity on being one of the scholar, as a mother, I promise to support and encourage my daughter to finish her course. Like what I am always saying to her and her sibling, that knowledge is your only tool for your future. No one can steal from you. Okay. Again, thank you so much, Enchild family, for your continuously support for my daughter. May your organization never stop and expand more so that you may help more students like Aliyah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. And existence. Thank you so much today.
Hi. Aliyah. Hello.
First meeting of
The count started.
Oh,
まあとにかく元気で頑張ろうね。世界の子供たちを元気にしよう。元気ですよ。Once
元気
again,
ですか？元気です